You know, having devotions in the morning has changed my life. Okay, looking up in this direction, you can see that is where the shop will eventually be. And you'll see also there's a power box that we got connected where the well house will be. Got that in. We trenched from the well house to right straight in front of me. That is where we have water lines for the shop dug down in the ground. So we went from the well house to the shop, ran double water lines to that point. Then from there, we continued down here, swing on around here. To the frost-free spigot. This is the edge of where we will be building our home, back here in the edge of the woods here. So there's the frost-free spigot. Again, I'll swing back around here, and then all the way back up to the well. So that was what a lot of the project went into. We put the water lines almost 3 foot deep just to make sure we didn't have any problems. We used 1 1/4 water lines from PVC with bell ends on them, so we minimized places where they could leak. And you see a little bit of the real small gravel, real finely gravel, almost a powder. We bedded the trench with a couple of inches of that in the bottom, and then we put the water lines on, then we put a couple inches of that on the top, then we backfilled it. So that's what we done for the water lines. And as you can see here also, as I'd said, we got temporary power brought up. So that trench there that we dug out had to go about 4 feet. So it's actually just technically supposed to be shy of, or just a bit more than 39, but we went ahead and dug it out 48 inches just to make sure we were okay. So this is our temporary power as we continue our building project. Right here in front of me is what we call it a sweep. Those that may not be familiar with this type of building process, from the temporary meter, there'll be a transformer that's going to be set right here in front of me. This big red cable is what the power company came in, so we had to trench down. They're going to put a transformer right here on the ground. It will sit here in this location, and that should be brought out early this week. And then they will connect the transformer to the temporary power here, the temporary meter, and again, that will give us power to start some of our building projects, as well as get our well operational. So this red sweep right here is just a marker that when we get ready to build our house further down here in the woods, it'll be about 50 feet down there, we'll be doing some more clearing and get our house built right down there. So the power will come from this transformer that I just talked about, and we will dig down right here and trench on down and tie it into the meter on the house. And swing back around here. And then as we build the shop, which will be up there, about where you see that white pipe sticking up out of the ground, that's where we stop the water supply for the shop. But we'll dig a new power line to go up to the side of the shop. There'll be a meter put on the side of the shop, and that meter will be for the well in the shop. So, well, greetings everyone. We are getting our pressure tank installed today and getting the manifolds hooked up. Doing a great job here. There's the manifold that he's creating there. And we'll swing back around here. Here's the pressure tank. So we're excited. Here in a day or so we should have plenty of water. Hello everyone, just give you a quick update on our well. We have water. We still have to build the well house to cover this manifold here, but as you can see, we have water pressure. This pressure switch here is set between 50 and 70, I think is what they told us everyone going to set it at. So as we use water, it gets down to 50, the pump will kick on and replenish the water from the bottom of the well. So just a quick update here. This box right here is the power controller that has capacitors in it to actually go down into the well, the wires do. And let me swing back around here just a little bit more. These are called water manifolds. The one on my far left is going to the actual well, and then we have 4 other outlets going to various places on the property. And this box right here brings incoming power to the well itself. So, and we have a temporary electric meter down there that's powering this right now. So, swing back here, we have a 81-gallon pressure tank. They just put the box over it right now until we get the well house built. But in here is an outside water spigot, and here is the actual well. So as you can see, it's just a few feet from where the well house will be over to the actual well here. And that was by our design. We wanted to have some distance here in the rare event that in the years to come we ever have to pull the pump. We wanted to have enough space here so that a truck could come in and pull the pump and service it if it needs to without disturbing the well house. And then on over this way down here, I'll zoom into that just a little bit. We have another outside water spigot going to that piece of property. So anyway, just wanted to kind of give you an update, and we'll be checking back in later.